Hello guys, welcome to the session on date types in Python. In this session, you will be learning about how to create date type variable in Python and how to work with dates in Python. So let's get started by opening PyCharm IDE. Okay, so let's open our Python console here. In Python, date is not a data type by its own. We need to import datetime module to work with dates as date object. So let's understand more by creating some examples on dates. First, we need to import datetime module using import keyword. Okay, now we have imported the datetime module and we can use list of functions available in datetime module. Okay, so let's create a variable today and assign current date to it. Okay, using some of the functions available inside datetime. Okay, so let's say today equal to date time module. Inside that we have a date time and we'll have today function. Okay, if you simply hit enter, now you can see here today is of date time. The value assigned to today variable is 2020-071. Okay, so now if you print today, you'll be getting the date time of date is actually the full date, like year, month, date, and this is 12 hours, minutes, seconds, and microseconds. Okay, so this is how you can get the date. Here if you see, this date time is actually a module which is having a class called date time. Inside we have a today method. Now you got today's date in today variable. Now you can try to access independently of year, month, date, or something like that, like today dot year. If you simply give, it will just extract the year from the date and then it will display you today dot month. It will display the month, and today dot day will display the day. Okay, and if you want to fetch only the hours, today dot hour, if you simply give this, you will get the hours here. And today dot minutes, you can get minutes inside. Okay, so similarly you can get microseconds as well. Today dot microsecond, hit enter, it will give you the microseconds of today's day. And you can format the data object using string format time function by providing the format code. So let's say here we have a today and we have a date, right? So here you have date as 2027 1 12 hours 59 minutes and 2 seconds, and there will be microseconds. If you wanted to format the data object using string format by providing the format code. In Python, we have a variety of format codes in order to extract either year, month, day, or hour from a date, and it will display in a required format. So let's say we have today dot str f time, and inside if you provide percentage small c, then it will display the local version of date and time in the form of day is actually Wednesday and month is July is our first, and then hours is 12:59 and the year is 2020. So this is the local version of date and time. And if suppose if you wanted to fetch only the month and it will display in 3 characters, what you need to do is simply you can change this to small b. So if you hit enter now, you'll get the July month. That's number 7 converted to characters is July, and it will display 3 characters month. If you want a full month name, you simply give capital B. So it will give you the full month in name. Okay. And suppose if you want to have a weekday, so what you can do is simply provide A here. So it will give you the short form of weekday. If you want to have a full form of weekday, give capital A, hit enter, it will give full name of a weekday. Similarly, you can access here in short form, like if you give small y, it will give you the short form of year, that is nothing but last 2 digits by ignoring the century. Okay, and if you want to have a full year, just give capital Y, it will give you full form. Okay, including the century. And if you wanted to display the month in 0 to 12 2-digit format, you can simply give small m. So if you give like this, it will give you the month in 2 digit. Likewise, you can perform and extract, and you can format the date using the available functions inside a datetime module. So that's it guys, we come to the end of the session on datetime. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and do like and share, and if you have any queries, please do write under comment section. I'll respond back to you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in our next session.